In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook, whether you're finding it difficult to read smaller text or simply wish to adjust your view for easier navigation. Knowing how to zoom can significantly enhance your Outlook experience. We are going to explore two simple and effective methods. First, let's dive into the quickest method, which involves using your mouse along with your keyboard. This technique is particularly handy if you're someone who often finds yourself multitasking and need quick control over the zoom levels. To start, you'll want to hold down the control button on your keyboard. While keeping the control button pressed, take your mouse and roll the scroll wheel. Rolling the wheel forward will zoom in, enlarging the contents in your Outlook view, and rolling it backward will zoom out, reducing the size of everything on the screen. This method is fantastic because of its simplicity and speed, allowing you to adjust the view effortlessly without delving into menus. If you're looking for a more precise control over the zoom setting, the second method is for you. Begin by navigating to the View tab at the top of your Outlook window. This tab is where you can find various settings to customize your viewing experience. Once you've clicked on View, look for the Zoom option, which typically provides a more detailed interface for managing your zoom preferences. Selecting this Zoom option will open a new window. In this window, you'll find the controls to precisely adjust your zoom level. Here you can zoom in by clicking the plus icon or zoom out by pressing the minus icon. This method gives you more granular control over how much you enlarge or reduce things, which can be helpful if you have specific needs or preferences. Also, if things get too large or too small, there's a convenient reset button that instantly brings you back to the original zoom setting. Each of these methods offers unique advantages, whether you're changing views frequently and need speed or require specific zoom levels and prefer precision. By mastering these techniques, you can optimize your workflow, making Outlook more comfortable and accessible. Remember, finding the right zoom level can make a big difference if you spend a lot of time in Outlook. By adjusting these settings, you're not only enhancing readability, but also improving your overall productivity. That's all for today. Hopefully you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for